A nice little change in iOS 17 is that you can now see who was actually involved in the song that you're currently listening to, who wrote it, who played in it, who produced it, all those sort of details. And it's really simple to access. From the now playing screen of any song, you're going to press the three dots next to the track name, and at the top of that menu you're going to choose Show Credits. From here you get a brand new screen with loads of information about who actually made that song, who the singers were, who the performers were, the songwriters, the producers, who mixed it. All of that information is available for you in a way that simply wasn't possible on Apple Music before. And from here as well, there's a one-tap link to view all the lyrics of that song, which will show you the lyrics of the normal document rather than doing it in the time-synced way that you get on the now playing screen. This is just another small update in iOS 17 that makes your phone more useful and better than it was before. And if you want to see what else has changed, check out this playlist on the end screen now, and I'll show you everything that's new in iOS 17. And if you like this video, please do subscribe down below, that way you'll get more quick tips on your homepage.